Magnus. About 2500 years back, in a place named Magnesia in Greek, Magnus was rearing his goats. One day, a nap. Oh, what is this? His iron capped stick on the rock and stood yet. The entire village assumed there and wondered. No, some other reasons might be there. His iron nail boots also stuck on the rock. Define this is a magical rock, or this is the magnificent power of God. People wondered about this incident. Each and everyone expressed their views. Yes, that is a magnetic rock. People found it attracting not only for a stick of magnets but also for all the materials made of iron. The more rocks of these kinds were found worldwide. These magnetic rocks were named magnets and the ore is called magnetite after the name of the boy Magnus. The name is also supposed to come after the name of the place Magnesia in which it is found. So, magnetite was the ore with attracting found in that region. Magnetites are natural magnets. They are called magnetic stones. From this experiment, with magnets, you will need to use iron fillings again and again. You can do this by placing a magnet in a pile of sand and turning it around in the sand. The small pieces of iron present in the sand will stick to the magnet. If you cannot find sand, you can look for iron pieces in clay soil as well. If you don't have iron fillings, you can collect small pieces of iron and they will serve the purpose as well. Children, do you know the directive property of magnets has been used for centuries to find directions? Around 800 years ago, the Chinese discovered that a suspended lodestone stopped in the north-south direction. Chinese used these lodestone to find directions. The navigators of that country used to keep a piece of lodestone suspended in their boats, and during a storm or mist, they used the lodestone to locate directions. Already we know that natural magnets do not have a definite shape. Since they are used for finding direction, they are also called leading stones or lodestones. From this activity, let us make magnets. Take a nail or a piece of iron and place it on a table. Now, take a bar magnet and place one of its poles. It may be North Pole or South Pole, near one edge of the nail. Piece of iron and rub from one end to another end without changing the direction of the pole of the magnet. Repeat the process for 30 to 40 times. Bring a pin or some iron fillings near the nail or piece of iron to check whether it has become a magnet. Does the nail piece of iron attract the pin iron fillings? If not, continue the same process for some more time. Make your own magnetic compass. Insert the magnetized needle that you made in the activity in two styrofoam balls or thermocol balls and place the needle in bowl of water. Test whether the floating needle is always turned in rest on north south direction. Here, if you don't have thermocol ball, you can use try dry leaf or cork piece. Next, levitating propeller. Ring magnets. Apparatus requires are ring magnets, bottle propeller, plastic bottle filled with sand, tape, stiff plastic straw, and scissors. Let's see how make levitating propeller. First step, make a propeller from a 500 ml plastic bottle. Make a hole in the bottle lid. Second step, screw the lid with the hole on a bottle half filled with sand. Press, fit a stiff draw in the lid. Empty the straw in the sand to make it sand erect, like this picture. Third step, place two magnets each inside and outside the propeller lid. These magnets will automatically stick to each other. Next, fourth step, like poles. Already we know that like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. Fourth step, place a few ring magnets in the straw. Similar poles will repel each other. So like pole repel and this levitative the bottle fan. The ceiling fan makes it spin. Fifth step, place the propeller on the stiff straw. There are magnets in the straw and the propeller should repel each other. This will make the propeller levitate. On placing it under a ceiling fan, the propeller will spin very fast. Next one, interesting maglev train, that is called electromagnetic train. The electromagnetic train is called as suspension train and also called as flying train. It does not require diesel or petrol. This technology uses the property of magnetic attraction and repulsion to run these superfast electromagnetic trains. Levitation up to 10 centimeter, like poles repel each other, and by using attraction and repulsion at the same time, the train moves forward. The magnets are controlled by electricity. Next, displacement. Unlike poles attracts each other and like poles repel each other. Key features: no friction, high speed, no noise. And how much speed? Maximum operating speed, speed record. Which countries is available? China, Japan, South Korea. These three countries are currently using maglev trains for public transport. Many countries explore possibilities to use it. In India, Mumbai to Delhi, Mumbai to Nagpur, Chennai, Bangalore, Mysore routes are considered to proposal. So these electromagnet trains moving parts, there is no friction, so that the train can easily attain the speed of 300 km per hour. These trains are capable of running up to 600 km per hour. They do not make no noise, they require less energy, and they are eco-friendly. The important points from this lesson. Magnetites are natural magnets. They are called magnetic stones. Man-made magnets are called artificial magnets. Substances which are attracted by magnet are called as magnetic substances. Substances which are not attracted by magnet are called non-magnetic substances. A freely suspended magnet always comes to rest in north-south direction. The end of the magnet that points to the north is called the North Pole. The end of that points to the south is called the South Pole. A compass is an instrument which is used to find directions. Like poles, north north or south south, repel each other, and unlike poles, north south or south north, attract each other. And magnets lose their properties if they are heated or dropped from a height or hit with a hammer. Thank you, children. We have completed these activities.